Hello guys, how to download ChatGPT and how to set ChatGPT on action button to quick action in iPhone 15 Pro Max. Launch App Store on your iPhone. Here go to search and type look for ChatGPT for iPhone. Choose ChatGPT and click on get button and let the iPhone downloading process complete, and after download complete open ChatGPT and follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process. Click on continue. After that, now we will see how to set ChatGPT at action button to quick access. Go to settings. Here go to action button and here slide, and you will find the option shortcuts. Open an app or run your favorite shortcuts. Tap on it and here choose ChatGPT app. First tap on open app and here select Chat Smith, which you have earlier downloaded, and now ChatGPT added to access button. Now go to your action button and press it. ChatGPT will automatically launch through action button and you will quick access